Imagine yourself in this Dodge 2019 Challenger SXT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include caramel black Napa leather sport seat, LJ, included, ventilated front seats, heated front seats, leather trim seats, indigo blue, plus package included, black edge premium floor mats, 4 grams LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, HD radio, Rumby 2 PC wheel, center cap, heated steering wheel, 6 premium Alpine speakers, bright pedals, power tilt, telescope steering column, heated front seats, wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches granite crystal aluminum front, fog lamps, 1-year Sirius XM Guardian trial radio, Uconnect 4C with 8.4 display, anti-lock 4-wheel disc performance brakes, shark fin antenna, 3.07 rear axle ratio. For details visit driveuconnect.com. 276 watt amplifier, Sirius XM satellite radio. For more info call 800-6